So often on our social media and a lot of what's out there, you're going to see a lot of polished, end of the rainbow, build level quality images of vehicles like this one. But you really can't tell the story of a beautiful vehicle like this unless you talk a little bit about the process. We've been talking about diving more into that this upcoming year. We're very proud to hand build every inch of a vehicle like that here at our facility in Charleston. So to talk about a little bit, we want to jump into a portion of the process. And if you see right behind this beautiful Series 2 88 that we just created, you'll see what is the start of the dry fit process. So in this portion of the process, it's sitting on its custom coil sprung chassis in its complete raw form. So we'll actually assemble the entire body. Before going to paint, we'll assemble the entire body. We'll make all of our modifications. We'll set our engine in. We'll make the modifications to the bulkhead. We'll weld in our engine mounts, our transmission mounts, and we'll make all those raw cuts and assemble the entire body, and then blow it off, blow it apart, and go into the paint portion of the process. And we do this so that on the back end of that, when it comes out of paint, we can move in a nice, efficient pace into the assembly process and really have a much more refined end product. But it's a really interesting stage, very raw. You'll see Alan is currently under the vehicle now creating the custom exhaust for the system, for the vehicle. We'll be pulling measurements and create our custom drive shafts to fit with that. We're making modifications to the chassis itself. Alan, our engineer at this point, has 3D scanned the chassis to verify accuracy of our design. So a really crucial portion of the process, very raw. We had a client recently say, it's interesting to see how the sausage is made. Well, this is how a portion of that sausage is made. It is not pretty, it's not camera ready, but in a lot of ways, it's the most interesting portion of the process, and we're very proud to hand build them here in the United States, and great to see a portion of it. So as you come in a little bit closer on it, you're gonna see our new bulkhead. We've primed that. We've made some modifications already to that bulkhead. The paint department has done the initial priming of that. And now we're assembling the remainder of the body around it. You'll see new exterior panels on the tub and the doors. We'll be assembling the wings next. The team has set the engine in there. And at this point, the fabrication department has welded on their engine mounts, their transmission mounts, again, in the raw form. Alan is under the vehicle now designing the custom exhaust to fit the spec of the client. And then we'll make some heavy modifications to the front wings. And that's gonna be, trying to really fit in this large GM motor, much bigger than the stock configuration. So we have a pretty tight cabin to fit it in, quite a bit of modification to make all that work. To the bulkhead, the wings itself, creating space for not only engine and transmission, but for the cooling package, it's gonna be brand new. The fuel system, exhaust system, you're packing a lot into a very small, compact vehicle. And this is a very crucial portion of the process. Once it's blown apart, the expectation is there will be no more modifications. So when it comes out of paint, we are not cutting into beautifully painted body parts. We are assembling that body. We can move efficiently through that stage in the process and get very quickly, we're gonna find ourselves in road testing on the backside of paint. But as you walk around the vehicle, so this is, in my opinion, one of the most important portions of the process and something a team spends a tremendous amount of time on.